Are we ready to go?
Yes.
Yay! Where are we going?
Charleston. Charleston.
Okay.
And North Carolina.
South Carolina.
North Carolina.
Okay. Flight plan is filed.
Papers. A R O W.
Yeah, those are arrow. Called arrow.
I know. I don't know what it stands for.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Airplane. Blah blah blah.
Blah 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 blah.
Yes.
Okay. Who wants to say clear prop? Ram or Kavya?
What now?
Yeah.
Clear prop.
Loud.
Clear prop. Clear prop.
Clear prop. It is time for a family vacation. This time we're heading to Charleston, South Carolina. Planning a vacation flight is always challenging. You always need to have a plan B if you can't fly due to mechanical or weather issue. Speaking of weather, I've been keeping a close eye on a low pressure system that developed in the Gulf about a week before the trip, which eventually turned into Hurricane Idalia. Charleston was in the path of the hurricane. Luckily, the hurricane left Charleston about 24 hours before the trip. More importantly, it appeared to have not done a significant disruption in the city of Charleston. The nasty low pressure system now gave way to a beautiful sunny skies forecasted throughout our trip. It has been over 8 months since we last flew for a vacation, mostly because the plane being down for maintenance. After recalculating the weight and balance as my kids grew a bit, I filed an IFR flight plan to Charleston. Facial clearance Grumman 66 Romeo Delta looking to pick up IFR.
66 Romeo Delta, Peachtree, clearance to click the Charlie Hotel, Sierra Airport, Bill radar vectors as filed. Climb maintain 3,000, expect 7,000, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 126.97, spark 7156.
Even though the weather is beautiful, an IFR flight plan will guarantee me uninterrupted ATC services, especially useful when going to a new destination. Ground Grumman 66 Romeo Delta with information Papa IFR at the north ramp.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, runway 3 left, taxi via Delta, Hotel, Bravo, Alpha, cross runway 34, advise round complete.
Taxi 23 left via Delta, Hotel, Bravo, Alpha, cross runway 34, will advise round complete, 6 Romeo Delta. Kavya, you did a good job, Nana.
Crew track 417, Archer.
So we did all the checks for now. So now we're gonna taxi. Aviation is a hobby and skill worth sharing across generations. That's why I have decided to involve my kids more in my flights. What about you? Do you involve your kids in your flights? Leave a comment below. Okay, so this taxiway right here.
Quebec Charlie Peachtree ground
So
runway
you look
3
at your
right,
right.
taxi, hold short runway 3 left.
Say
right,
D.
Apple, hold short 3 left, 5 Quebec Charlie.
Does it say D?
Yes.
So that's where.
Either way.
Yes, so that's our taxiway Delta. So next we're looking for hotel H.
Okay.
So it's in front of you.
5 Golf Tango, you're the first
Where
one
do you
in
see
there, so just for my planning, about how
Front
long
of
will you
you.
need with the run-up?
Hello.
About 1 minute and, I think 4 seconds.
I
Gotcha.
can't see it in front of me.
Oh, okay, alright. You'll see it right now. It's coming up.
Peachtree Grove, crew track 417 has covered
Yeah, so the hotel is going this way, so I gotta go turn right here.
Via Bravo, Alpha, advise run
Yeah.
complete.
So this is
Alpha, advise run complete.
this is hotel. Right now we're on hotel, taxiway hotel.
I think a little early, but
And this is the runway. So we need to make sure to look both ways when we cross the runway, but this is closed.
Golf Tango.
Okay?
So if you
Roger, hold short runway 3 left.
Yeah,
and,
we're gonna do a
monitor
different
tower.
runway. So next one is Bravo, B.
Love you, bye.
So we're gonna take left on
Number
B.
55 Quebec Charlie, you're giving way to a Cessna
All right.
coming out of the run-up.
So after this we're gonna be Alpha. Alpha A for Alpha.
E for Bravo.
Yes, good job. C for?
E for Delta. E for Echo.
Echo. Good job.
R for Romeo.
Good job.
Yes.
See, you know a lot of things, Kavya.
N
Nice, yeah.
for November, because all airplanes ID starts with an N.
That's correct. So look at all the N's, so many N's there.
First, see if it's closed or not.
Now this is open. Yeah, you're good. See, I'm gonna take a right here on Alpha. Oh, there is a big jet in front of us, Kavya. I know you cannot see it, but
I
it's
know.
there. Alright, Kavya. See
Peachtree
that?
ground, warrior 255.
Look at that cool airplane.
What in the world?
Yeah.
Hold short runway 3
That's the
left,
restaurant,
behind the jet,
Kavya.
monitor tower.
That's a cool restaurant. We can go there sometime.
Tower, warrior
I think
255,
that
1 uniform.
airplane was going to that restaurant.
Yeah,
Was it real?
yeah, it's a real airplane.
Oh.
It flies. So they fly there and they park there.
And that's now display.
Yeah. So Kavya, what we're gonna do next is called run up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna check everything. The run up, okay?
Okay. Brakes,
Yeah.
fuel, proper tank,
Okay, so fuel is on the left tank. Yeah, we're good. Read that says run up.
brakes, flight controls, instruments, mixture, best power,
Yeah.
1800 RPM.
Yeah.
Mags test R to L both. RP test vacuum. Amps volt.
Yeah.
Fuel pressure. Oil
Yeah.
temperature.
Yeah.
Ideal check close. Throttle friction. All
Okay, all
check.
pressure looks good. Fuel pressure looks good.
Let Juliet back to
Good.
Fishy ground, Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, run up complete.
November 6 Romeo Delta, behind the citation, hold short 3 left, monitor tower.
Behind the citation, hold short, 3 left, monitor tower, 6 Romeo Delta.
Westbound
Kavya.
2900, should pass.
So we're gonna take off soon.
Okay, left downwind for
Okay.
3 left, we're looking,
Then Appa's gonna put it on the pilot mode, so you can talk to Amma, but you cannot talk to me, okay?
Why?
So I'm just gonna focus for a little bit, okay? I'm just gonna focus, okay?
Okay.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, Peachtree Tower, cross runway 3 left, hold short runway 3 right.
Cross 3 left, hold 3 right, 6 Romeo Delta.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, Peachtree Tower, fly runway heading runway 3 right, clear for takeoff.
Fly runway heading, clear for takeoff, 6 Romeo Delta 3. Yes, make sure. Left. Airspeed alive, 60 knots.
Performing, could you repeat? Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, contact land departure.
Contact departure, 6 Romeo Delta, thank you. Plan departure, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, departure from PDK runway heading, climbing to 3000.
66 Romeo Delta, land departure, IDAN.
IDEN for 6 Romeo Delta.
66 Romeo Delta, IDAN, preserve your contact, mile northeast of Peach.
6 Romeo Delta.
November 66 Romeo Delta, climb and maintain 4000.
When departing PDK eastbound, Plana approach controllers would love to keep you under the Bravo, even for IFR flights, which is why my initial altitude was 3000, below the Bravo shelf. However, when flying southbound, you will be cleared to 4 or 5000 right into the Bravo and take you directly over the Atlanta International Airport for some spectacular views. 070 for 6 Romeo Delta.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, climb and maintain 7000.
7000 for 6 Romeo Delta.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, proceed direct Colliers.
Proceed direct Colliers 6 Romeo.
I was cleared to my next waypoint in the flight plan. Speaking of flight planning, I use Flight as my electronic flight bag, and it has a nifty feature that shows previously cleared routes. I picked a route that would give me the shortest duration. If you file a flight plan with a route that was previously cleared by ATC, chances are you will get that route and leads to less surprises from ATC down the road.
Plana Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, climbing to 7000 direct Colliers.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, line approach, Athens altimeter 3018.
3018, 6 Romeo Delta, thank you. Alright, welcome back guys. Today we're going to Charleston, South Carolina. Weather looks good so far, so everything looks great. Kids are excited. So we're climbing to 7000, so it should be nice and smooth. The little guy is already asleep, so which is always a good sign. I do have a couple of issues going on with my G5s.
Well, let me explain. Right after the takeoff, I noticed that my heading on my G5s were off by about 20 degrees compared to the compass. This is not new, it happened in the past before. It likely has to do with the way I loaded my luggage. Good thing, the difference stayed consistently throughout. Since the weather is VFR and I have a compass and a GPS to navigate and cross-check, I continued on with my flight.
Doing 124 knots, which is pretty good. Kavya, are you gonna sleep?
Position check, 426.
You woke me up.
Sorry Kavya, but sleep. Let me take up this mic, okay? Welcome back guys. We are about 40 minutes from our destination Charleston. Everything's been smooth, except for the little guy in the back. He didn't want to sleep, so he had some stuffy nose, so having trouble sleeping I believe.
Still having slight issues with my G5. So about 20 degrees off, so it's consistently being off, so which is okay. So it's been showing as 43 knots of
64 Romeo Roger.
That is
And
not correct.
VFR,
So that is because the difference between the actual heading and the heading of the G5. Little guy wants to know if we are almost there. So we're kind of almost there. The weather looks good. We VFR there in Charleston, inside of the northeast, about 8 knots. Guessing would be using runway 3. Possible they might be using runway 33 as well. So everything else looking good. So should be landing soon.
number 66 Romeo Delta, contact Charleston 120.7.
120.76 Romeo, thank you. Charleston, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, level 7000.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, Charleston approach. Lima's current altimeter 3015, expect this approach runway 3.
3015, expect runway 36 Romeo.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, descend and maintain 5,000.
5000 for 6 Romeo.
Charleston International Airport 8 is information Lima 2056 Zulu. Wind 020 at 8. Visibility 10. 2 clouds at 6,000. 20,000 scattered. Temperature 29er.
You got that 208
2.14.
Riley.
Altimeter 3014.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, fly heading 140.
140 for 6 Romeo Delta.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, fly heading 110.
110 for 6 Romeo Delta.
Tiger 6 Romeo Delta, maintain 1,600.
1600 for 6 Romeo Delta.
6 Romeo Delta, clear visual pressure runway 03, tower 126.0.
Clear to visual to runway 03, contact tower 6 Romeo Delta, for Charleston Tower, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, visual to runway 03.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, Charleston Tower, runway 3, clear to land.
Runway 3, clear to land 6 Romeo Delta. Armature Ridge. Fuel pump on, landing lights on.
November 6 Romeo Delta, the traffic, there's going to be traffic departing the intersecting runway prior to your arrival.
6 Romeo Delta, looking for traffic.
November 6 Romeo Delta, there'll be traffic crossing downfield prior to your arrival as well.
Alright, 6 Romeo Delta, looking for that traffic.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, turn right at hotel, contact ground point 9er.
What a great flight that was. Apart from the minor G5 glitch, everything went so smooth. Stay tuned for the part 2 for a pilot of Charleston.
If you the I okay, I'll just kick your butt out of town.